Cardano value equivalent to $0.2624 a coin. The present reach, $0.2623. $0.2713. The earlier day close, $0.2680. The change was 0.00562.09%. Backwards rate, United States dollars to ADA. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at $0.31. Most extreme cost 31 cents. Least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 28 cents. Change for August 9.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. Initially cost at $0.28. Most extreme cost 31 cents. Least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 27 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 29 cents. Change for September 3.6%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023. To start with cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 33 cents. Least cost 29 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 31 cents. Change for October 6.9%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.31. Greatest cost 31 cents. Least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 28 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 26 cents. Change for November 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at $0.26. Most extreme cost 27 cents. Least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 25 cents. Change for December 3.8%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.25. Most extreme cost 27 cents. Least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 25 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 25 cents. Change for January 0.0%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.25. Greatest cost 30 cents. Least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 27 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 28 cents. Change for February 12.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at $0.28. Most extreme cost 28 cents. Least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 25 cents. Change for spring 10.7%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at $0.25. Most extreme cost 31 cents. Least cost 25 cents. The normal for the month 28 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 29 cents. Change for April 16.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $0.29. Greatest cost 29 cents. Least cost 22 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 24 cents. Change for May 17.2%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $0.24. Greatest cost 24 cents. Least cost 19 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 20 cents. Change for June 16.7%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.20. Most extreme cost 20 cents. Least cost 18 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 19 cents. Change for July 5.0%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.19. Greatest cost 20 cents. Least cost 18 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 19 cents. Change for August 0.0%. ADA to United States dollars expectations for September 2025. At the outset cost at $0.06. Most extreme cost 7 cents. Least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for September 16.7%. Cardano cost expectation for October 2025. To start with cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 7 cents. Least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for October 0.0%. ADA United States dollars expectations for November 2025. Before all else cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 7 cents. Least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 6 cents. Change for November 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.06. Greatest cost 7 cents. Least cost 6 cents. The normal for the month 7 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for December 16.7%. ADA United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Before all else cost at $0.07. Most extreme cost 9 cents. Least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 8 cents. Change for January 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 8 cents. Least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for February 12.5%. ADA United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.07. Greatest cost 9 cents. Least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 8 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 8 cents. Change for spring 14.3%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset cost at $0.08. Most extreme cost 10 cents. Least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 9 cents. Change for April 12.5%. ADA United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Initially cost at $0.09. Most extreme cost 11 cents. Least cost 9 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 10 cents. Change for May 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for June 2026. Initially cost at $0.10. Greatest cost 13 cents. Least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 12 cents. Change for June 20.0%. ADA United States dollars expectations for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.12. Greatest cost 12 cents. Least cost 10 cents. The normal for the month 11 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 11 cents. Change for July 8.3%. Cardano cost expectation for August 2026. At the outset cost at $0.11. Most extreme cost 11 cents. Least cost 8 cents. The normal for the month 10 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 9 cents. Change for August 18.2%. ADA United States dollars expectations for September 2026. To start with cost at $0.09. Greatest cost 9 cents. Least